Many people quit Fiverr too early due to high competition. Another aspect is that sometimes they have to wait too long for a client to find them and place an order. I agree this is frustrating sometimes. But how about the idea you don't need to find a job? In fact, a company finds a job for you, gives you a task, and you complete the task on the time of your own choice. Yes, on the time of your own choice. Is it a cool idea or not? It means you are an employee, but still you are a freelancer. I'm Asif from Lectures Club, and today in this video tutorial I am going to share another brilliant website with you where you can earn money online while sitting at home. I upload videos on educational tutorials, things you want to know, and explore new ways for you that how you can make money online while sitting at your own place. Before starting the tutorial, I want you to
please subscribe my channel
and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so whenever I will upload new video you will be notified. Let's start our today's tutorial. Okay guys, the website is clickworker.com. This is an online earning platform, but this is different as compared to Fiverr, Upwork and similar to them. I know you are thinking how is this different? Let me explain to you. They are basically solution providers to many big companies around the world. Some of them you can see here. You don't need to find a job here. Basically they divide their solutions into many micro tasks, allocate you some tasks. When you complete the task they pay you. So here you are working as a team, not as an individual. So what kind of jobs can you get at clickworker.com? When you register, they call you a clickworker. The registration is absolutely free. There are numerous jobs available for a clickworker like article writing and product description, data tagging and characterization, copy, translation and proofreading, internet research, surveys, photo capturing, audio and video recordings. Now don't tell me you can't record audio or take pictures and upload them. Nope. Oh gosh. Okay, no worries. You can even join with little skill or no skill. It's easier than you might think. Here is the solution. When you register and specify whatever little skills you have, they have some training modules for you. When you complete the training and get the required score, they give you some initial tasks. You complete the tasks, they evaluate your result. If you get good scores, they promote you and give you further expert training. Now you are an expert and start getting work regularly and they increase your payment too. I know you are asking yourself how much will I get and what are the payment methods. Actually the payment varies. It depends upon the type of the project, your working hours and expertise. You can get your payment via PayPal and your bank account. Even both of these are not working, you can get your payment using TransferWise service. Now guys, I hope you have understood all the things I have told in the video. If this is true, don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel because some amazing tutorials and videos are coming to you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Stay blessed.